I made to Canada. Learning English has been a very important opportunity during my lifetime. It has taken me to different countries around the world, and it has opened me as much doors as I want. My best experience related to the English language happened during middle school. I had decided to go on a multicultural program even before finding out what was it about. This study program had been working out on other school campuses, such as Chihuahua. Basically, we will learn English and Chinese, and we will have two travel experiences, one to Canada and the other one to China. It was a whole new challenge, full of awesomeness and learnings. Second grade of middle school. I won't forget it. That was the year when we traveled to Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. I arrived with a Canadian host family, K+ family, which I met before because I had made a video call with them about 2 weeks before arriving. In general terms, I haven't felt such a better life quality and peaceful environment other than Canada's. Health, education, sports, and social responsibility are among the top levels globally. With no doubt, my experience in Canada has been making my ideals and goals to completely change. That's one of my adventures in this trip called life. Thank you.